Hi everyone, I have a casement window here that we've had for many years. It opens on the right side, the hinge is on the left. The lock lever here, which pulls it closed and locks it tight, has come disconnected internally. So there's no way to open this window. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use stainless steel blade type scraper. I'm going to lightly insert it without damaging the rubber, hopefully, as deep as I can go. Slide it down, and with a hammer, I'm going to lightly tap. There you go, it's released. So I would like to reconnect this arm to the linkage that has fallen off. Now, you don't need to remove the entire linkage, but what you can do is once this is off in this condition, you can unhook it, just like that. Using a Phillips screwdriver, I took these two screws out. Actually, I loosened just one of them and the whole thing slid out. So now I can take these parts and I'll go put them back together, and that'll be coming up. So when you put this thing back together, make sure you put the arm on the right way or you'll have problems. The reason this latch assembly fell apart is we have this single-use crescent lock washer that has let go when it shouldn't have. You can see there is a slight taper near the inside hole of the washer facing outwards. This taper is supposed to bite into the shaft of the lever to hold it together. We need to close that hole slightly using a hammer so it can hold again. Once the washer has been flattened, it needs to be forcibly pressed back onto the shaft. When doing this, make sure the taper of the original steel washer is facing down and away from the handle. For the next step, because there's no way to support the original washer when it's inside that little casting, I used a similar sized washer that's thicker to provide support and hold the original washer. All that was needed was a large set of pliers to re-engage that washer. We can leave the added washer in there. Now we can move on to the final step, reinstalling the latch. Re-engage the rod and carefully, without dropping the screws or yourself out the window, reinstall the two screws. So there you go. If you found this helpful, please like and share it, and I'll see you around. Thanks.